that tape?
God's on the rave.
God's on the rave.
Tell them.
May I give them a new one now? It's a record.
Yeah.
Glory to the Lord.
Amen.
I'm representing for Micheal Ward.
All right.
He's famous in London and he's famous in Yard.
That's right.
And he don't really like singers, he like them broad.
Wow.
That is it!
What the sound of me nose?
I'm out!
Play it, boy. Yo, Robbo, big up yourself, you know. Enough time Mrs. Spice costs, but you know if me have a pick side, I have a pick side of the queen, even though you have a veggie.
But it's private, it's a private.
I know it's private.
Private.
That's why when she gave me the car, I drive it. If them this land, I know them are going to survive it.
Not at all.
You're good, Q. Quincy. You're right, Quincy, no rubber. So the first time I fought England, I Q forward the airport. Come pick me up. Remember, them tell him a juvenile. Baby, a breast milk on him mouth and everything. Blood clot. And 24 years later, I'm still my bedroom.
Yes, man. Prison and everything.
Forward a prison when they are Jamaica, in prison. Until now, the king is risen. Rubber ranks, you is one of them man, they were from day one. When we just father England. Them time they never forward England as no artist. We forward for a different program. We talk about that in another time.
Yeah. Cool.
Yes. Darkness. Yeah, because the whole Brixton. Summer Leighton. Estate. That's where we used to stay. Acre Lane. Colaba Lane. Top Secret. Peckham. Tooting. But no more shooting. Watch you now. Battersea. Chelsea. Alsden. Shepherd's Bush. Healing. Oh, and a good times is me feeling. Everything revealing. Spice, talk to them. See the queen here? Yeah. So she clean here?
Big up everybody. Big up the king of dancehall. You don't know dancehall can't stall. It's a joy to be here. Yes. Standing with you right, yes sir. Yes. Yeah, remember once upon a time when I come to England, I walk with some big picture. Yes. And I say, free the world boss! Yes. Now we turn it around. The world boss is free. Yes. Big up everybody. God is the greatest.
That me say, God is the greatest. You notice Spice outfit and mine is the latest. And the way she clean, she not for the yet test. I'm telling you this. Big up the Marbo. Because they recognize, say, the king and the queen have risen.
They all have to recognize.
You know them way there? The same way. Queen Elizabeth passed on RIP, and then King Charles step up.
Amen.
So, everybody have to know say we are represent dancehall right now. And we are doing it, and we've been doing it for years. And funny enough, wifey funny. Me and her forward from Portmore.
Sure.
How deep that is?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Me and her forward from the same community.
God.
God is the greatest. See what I say? That is the greatness. Yeah, let's smoke upstairs. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Your business. Come down. Big up high school, yo. You know it go. Big up Spice. Big up TJ, my manager. Big up Liquor Vibes in there. Liquor Vibes. First time before the England, you wearing my balls. You weren't born yet, nigga. Big up Cole Palmer. Big up Cole Palmer. Big up Leon Bailey. Cause me have him sign me 2 Aston Villa jersey there.
Wow.
I don't know anybody cuss me and come for me. Liverpool forever. Never walk alone. Iron side. What is under me nose?
Big up world boss.